Welcome to our ReliaMaint CMMS channel. Hey, we are up again with a new CMMS feature added. There are situations in production plants where limited daily or weekly inspection are required on multiple machines. Those are positioned close to each other. Making a separate work order for daily and weekly task list is cumbersome and sometimes confusing. It is very efficient to group such equipments, and a common task list can be made to execute the daily or weekly. Let's see how to create equipment group in ReliaMaint CMMS. Go to the equipment group page and create equipment group. Provide a relevant name to the group. Select the department where the group is to be made. Left column contains all the equipment under particular department. Select the multiple equipment as a part of group and transfer to right side. And click Save. It will formed into your new equipment group and ready for preventive maintenance task list. These group can be always modified to add or delete some of the child equipment. Editor equipment group is similar as creation, just add or remove any equipment from group. Let's see how to add preventive maintenance task. Let's attach the preventive maintenance task list to newly created equipment group. This can be attached in similar way as PM task attached to a normal single equipment. And similar way to single equipment, the task list can be created. Similarly, equipment group, the task list can be edited. These equipment group preventive maintenance plans are visible under each equipment group's child equipment.
Thanks for being with us. Keep visiting us to see new features added to ReliaMaint CMMS.